Hey everybody, Keith here, and today I am going to be doing a continuation of the video that I did yesterday where I had shown what it looks like as far as any scratches or any rock chips on the vehicle after 10 months of having the ceramic coating 9H Mr. Fix on there. And I had a lot of people saying that they wanted to know whether or not it still beads off water. And so here I am. I'm going to be pouring some water on here to see how it beads off, and that way you can tell. So it's still shedding most of the water on there. I am on an uphill incline, so that might have something to do with it. I'm going to go on this side and pour some. Still is doing a pretty good job. Now it's been 10 months and still is beating off most of the water. For the most part, it rolls off everywhere except for a couple spots right here and right there, but actually it's going really well. So overall, for the test, did do a great job in stopping any of the chips, and it still is beating off the water. All right, thanks a lot, and I hope this helps out.